People will change, things will happen, but trust me, it's all gonna pass. Honestly, guys, I wish that I knew all these things in my 20s, but well, it's not too late. That's the beauty of life.
Evaa, oh baby, Evaa, baby you too sweet.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva. For those of you that are new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to the channel. How are you doing, guys? So today's video, guys, I want to talk about things I wish I knew in my 20s. This video has long been requested for. I don't know why I had to keep it this long. Guys, we all wish we knew certain things at certain stages of our lives. Yeah, honestly, guys, I wish I knew some of these things earlier in life. That's life, and that's the beauty of life. Well, life goes on regardless of when you got to know whatever it is you know. It's never too late. I know them now, and that's okay. Yeah, all right. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Number one thing I think I wish I knew in life is that I wish I knew that life goes on so quickly, guys, like so quickly. Honestly, I wish like I knew life goes on so quickly, like regardless of whatever it is you're going through. Trust me, it's not going to linger on forever. Before you know it, before you blink your eyes, that day is gone, that moment is gone, that thing you're feeling is gone, and then you're back to yourself. Yeah, well, I say this because there are days, moments, that I just wake up, I'm not just myself. I certainly know I'm not the only one that goes through such. Yeah, sometimes I fight it, like I fight it so hard, but these days I don't fight it anymore. I just let myself feel whatever it is I'm feeling, and I just let it go. Yeah, because I know it's not gonna be there forever. Yeah. So guys, life goes on so quickly, like before you blink it's all gone. So stop stressing yourself over things you can control. Stop trying to fight and fight things you can't control. Allow yourself feel whatever you want to feel, because it's not going to be there forever. That moment is going to pass through. Yeah, I mean, regardless of people, people will change, things will happen, but trust me, it's all gonna pass. I wish I knew that things are just in life, that things will just, life just keeps, going on, and nothing really lasts forever. Yeah, so it's important not to attach too much to anything. Yeah, okay, so let's get into the next one. Another thing I wish I knew in my 20s is, guys, I honestly wish I knew like about investments. Yes, guys, I wish I knew about investments. I used to think like, oh, investments are for the rich, like you need to have all the money in the world before you can invest. I don't know, it's not like that. Yeah. Even with your lean account, your small change, you can still have investment that will be tailored to you, that will suit your earnings. I wish honestly that I knew I would have started investing earlier in life. Okay, what else? Another thing I wish I knew early in life would be, I wish I made a lot of friends in my 20s. Yeah, honestly, I wish I made a lot of friends in my 20s. Had all the fun I wanted in my 20s. But now I feel like it's too late, because I have a whole lot going on. Busy, busy. Not busy, busy, but per se, like I have a whole lot going on right now in my life that I don't even think about friendships. Even when I do, I'm like, oh, will I have all the time in the world to nurture it, and will I have that time to really have the kind of fun I want, with friends and all that. Yeah, so I wish I did all this in my 20s. Yeah, so if you're in your 20s, lucky you, have all the fun you should right now. Yeah, because the higher you go in life, the more busier your life becomes, and the more focused you'll be, and the more you won't have time for some other things. Yeah. Okay, well, next up, I wish I traveled a lot in my 20s. Yeah, because right now, honestly, I'm really craving traveling, but there's just no time, for traveling. Yeah, except for my vacations. But that's fine. I wish I had done all that in my 20s. Yeah, and then now there's family. So if you're thinking of vacation, you're thinking of adding family and all that. So there's all just that. there's just that restriction, like you just don't have that, I mean, luxury of time, and luxury of doing things, single-handedly by yourself, like you would do, in your 20s when you're single. Yeah. Now you have to think for two, think for four, whatever whatever family number you are, have to think for, putting others into consideration. Yeah. Their time, their resource, everything into consideration. So I wish I honestly, did all of that in my 20s, because now I don't have that luxury, yeah, of time. Okay, guys, another thing I wished I'd done in my 20s. I wished I built my relationship with God so intimately. Like, I wish I had given God like a 60%, 40% to building a relationship with people. Yeah. But right now it's okay. I'm doing that. Yeah, like 60% of myself, my time to God, and then 40% to people. Yeah. Unlike, like it was like the reverse was the case, back then. I was doing too much for people, putting God aside. But then it's okay. Yeah, I wish I knew this, which is right now something that I'm paying more attention to, and I love it. Another thing I wished I knew in my 20s would be, honestly, I wished that I'd given myself, I mean, like maximum attention, not paying too much attention to people. I wish that I knew that, like, just leave me, live my life, not about people, not trying to make people happy, not trying to do too much for people. Yeah, but that's okay. I'm doing all of that now. Yeah, because trust me, people will be people. Yeah, just allow people be who they want to be. Just allow people be who they want, who they are. Yeah, and just relate with them based on who they are. Just enjoy your life. Enjoy having people around you, enjoy accommodating people the way they are. I wish I knew this. So you don't try to change anybody, because honestly, you can't change people. Allow them be themselves. Allow them change if they want to, and if they don't want to, just allow them be. Yeah. So just give yourself peace of mind. Yeah, and not let people stress you out. Honestly, I wish that I did this in my 20s. Yeah, not trying to do too much. Just living me. Yeah, whoever likes me likes me. Whoever doesn't, like their cup of tea. Yeah, that's just people. Yeah, you can't change who people are. And what else? Chased my dreams. I wish I chased my dreams in my 20s. Yeah. Now I feel like it's too late, but then I don't think there's anything too late in life. Yeah. I feel like I have other things taking my time, my attention, and that I'm just doing it now, but that's okay. I wish I had done them in my 20s. Those are some of the things, yeah, that I wish that I knew, yeah, in my 20s, that I know now. Yeah, and I'm enjoying my life in bliss. Yep. So guys, see you on another video. Cheers, guys.